Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a page public in Notion, and that's pretty easy. So simply go to your Notion app, select the page that you want to make public, and in the right side you will see a share option. Simply tap on here, and here you can see this publish option, or you can also share your page with someone by giving their email or group, or you can also copy link, but there is a condition: only you can access this page, so the link will be only work for you. So you can't share this link by copy from here. So if you want to publish, just simply tap on this publish option, and simply tap on the publish options. People are able to see your public page, and that's it. As you can see, your page is published, and if you just simply tap on these unpublished options, your page will be private. And that's the so easy process. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks.